welcome to our channel AlampanaTV. Hope you are all doing safe. Today I went shopping. I was shopping for indoor plants. I'm really excited to read all the facts about them. We got loads. Apparently it helps us breathe. It gives oxygen, some of the plants. Let's go shopping. Let's look at all the indoor plants we can get today. These are the plants we got from the shops. They easily caught my eye because they're very small and attractive. That's why we bought them. Let's look at the benefits of these. Breathing easier, as we humans inhale oxygen and then exhale carbon dioxide. But many plants actually inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. That increases the oxygen level in the house. Purifying air. Indoor plants remove toxins from the air. According to NASA, indoor plants remove 87% of toxins from the air. Improving health. According to the survey, which was conducted by Kansas State University, it says that adding plants into the hospital speeds the recovery of patients. Sharpening focus. According to a survey conducted in England, it shows that students who are taught in a classroom which contains plants show 70% more attentiveness. This plant is called Exheveria. It covers all the 4 benefits we just talked about. Add on to them 4 benefits. It also increases humidity. This isn't curious. It has a high level of medical value. It helps with heart pain and uterus problems. This is a Crassula. It provides positive mental health. There's many types of Crassulas. Some are called jade plant and money plant. For medical health, it is a treatment for diarrhea and nausea. This is a Haworthia. It's also called a zebra plant. I guess you can see why. This is really easy to look after because it doesn't need frequent watering and it covers all the 4 benefits. Do you guys grow any indoor plants? If so, please say so in the comment section. Do you guys have any indoor plants? Do you guys have any indoor plants? If so, please say so in the comment section below. Dion, which one do you want? I think I like this one.
This one's bigger, that's why I'll have this one.
Why? Why do you want that one?
So I can put in the water and then you can sit on it.
Bye! See you in another exciting video from the genie!
Ow!
Please like, comment,
share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos from the genie.